head over to Canva and we are going to be creating OPay logo. Don't worry, this Canva logo too will still create it. We are going to be creating the OPay logo, and once you open your Canva, you can just click on this logo sign here. Then the size of the flyer you want to create would pop up. Okay, so we are creating something like this. We are creating something like this. This is what we are creating. We are creating the OPay logo. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this logo. So this is what we are creating. Okay. So for reference, let's start it on a fresh page. Let's start on a fresh page. Okay. So firstly, we'll be needing a circle element. Just click on elements, and these shapes, you search for circle, then you pick any circle of your choice. Now I'm going with this circle, so I would love to reduce the size. So we are creating OPay logo. Okay, this size is too small, so I'll be increasing the size. All right, now we are going to be changing the color of this circle. To change the color of the circle, you click on color, then the color we'll be using, I have the color code, so just click on this plus sign and type in the color code. Type in the color code. The color code is 2 4 C F A, I think O, A O. Okay, all right. So this is the color code. This is the color code we are going to use. So that's the color code. Now we'll be duplicating this one. Copy. So I copied it, and okay, let me make this one kind of bigger. All right, so this one that I copied, I'll be changing the color to white. So before I continue, let's see how far we've gone. Okay, we are still on track. So I'll reduce the size of this one to fit in the middle. We are still on track, and we are still on track. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is to take a shape again. Go to elements, go to shapes, and search for the square shape. So once the square shape pops up, we'll be taking this first one. All right, we don't want this color, so we are going to be changing the color to white. and reduce the size. Okay, yeah, something like that. So we've reduced the size of, you can still, if you want to reduce it more. Okay, it's too small. All right, let me just leave it here. So let me reduce it a little bit. Okay, so the size is being reduced. Next up is our next shape, which is also going to be uh um square. Yes, so click on elements, or instead of doing that, just copy this square that is here already, copy it and change the color code. Click on color, click on the plus sign and type the color code. The color code is this is the color code. And finally, this is our OPay logo. You can as well reduce the size if you want, but this is what we created, the OPay logo. And you can see, as you can see, so to match everything together, click on any of the shapes and click on these three dots that is here. Then click select multiple. Then choose as many. Click select multiple. Choose as many as you want to select. Then click group. Now we can see that our work is being grouped and is movable. You can reduce the size if you want, and you can increase the size if you want, because we group them. This grouping looks too much grouped. So I'll group it again. Click on select multiple. And click on the ones you want to group. Let's just download it. Okay, so this is our OPay logo. Oh, I forgot to remove this one, this sample stuff. I forgot to delete it. I actually want to delete it, so that's why. So we are left with one. So I'll just click on download and download it. So this is it. Successfully done. Our OPay logo is done. All right. So for the PAY text, you can actually just use your text to write PAY, and put the color you love. All right. Thanks for watching. Share to others that don't know how to design it. All right.